Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change country and address on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up a Revolut application and log into your account. So I'm just logging into mine. Okay, I've already logged in, so this is what is my home screen. So once I've logged in here, so if you want to change your address, what you're going to do, you go on your top left here, click on your profile. Once you get to your profile here, scroll down and underneath click on account. So when you get to account here, you go to click on your personal details. So once I click on personal details, you can just my screen might be black out because due to the because I'm screen recording it, and due to the privacy and security settings, it's black out. But what happens is when you click on your personal details, you should see the address option there. So click on the address option and then you'll see something like this here. So here you can change your address, all right, and you may note that you won't be able to change the country because this is because your account is registered according to your current country. For example, mine is Australia, because according to the Australian my current country is low and the low country is low and legal reasons, so it's registered to that country. So if you are changing your country, then it's not possible at the moment. The only way, if you want to change your country, you can do so by closing your account and then reopening a new account on a new different country, and that way you can do so. So that's pretty much it is. So once you're done with changing your address here, and just simply hit on done, and that's it, your address will be updated. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.